Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here to share a scrapbook.com order. I needed double-sided adhesive. I ran out finally, so probably almost in September it would have been 2 years that I had that roll. So I did get another roll. It's a different brand. This one is scrapbook.com's brand. The other one I got, sorry for all the crinkling. The other one I got from a scrapbook convention or rubber stamping convention, one of those. But yeah, so I needed some of this, so I ordered this. This was already in the cart when I went there, so I must have wanted it at one time. It is a glitter brush marker, which I have a Winka Stella. Is that the same thing? I don't know why I wanted this. Oh, this looks complicated. Oh, I think I have to like puncture it and all of that stuff. Yeah, we're saving that for later. So I got that. This was also in my cart. And they are plastic envelopes. So I think they will be handy for storage. And they come in a 5-pack. So I got that. And then this was free. Ooh, sorry for the glare. But how's that holographic action? Woo! And so they're just alphabet stickers. So yeah, those was my items that I got. My small little haul from scrapbook.com. No business shopping too much. Anyway. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for coming back. If you're returning, I appreciate you. Please consider liking and subscribing and sharing this video with a crafty friend. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.